MotoGP. It is fast. Unpredictable. And most of all, exciting. This year's MotoGP season is shaping up to be an interesting one. With Anaya Bastianini winning the Open race at Qatar, the French Grand Prix, and the Grand Prix of Americas. And as a result, he is sitting at third in the championship behind Aleix Espargaro, and then Fabio Quartararo leading on 104 points. Sadly, after the race, they announced that Marc Marquez will have to undergo a fourth operation on his humerus bone, his right humerus bone. So he will be absent from the MotoGP calendar for the rest of the year, which I think will be taken up by Stefan Bridal. But it's always sad to see a rider that you support not going to be there for the rest of the season. I mean, I've been a Marquez fan ever since I started watching MotoGP, and my hopes and dreams is for him to win the MotoGP championship, win a 9th title, which I think would put him on par with Valentino Rossi. And I mean, because you cannot deny, I mean, he's one of the all-time greats to ever raced in MotoGP. And yeah, it would be nice to see him win that 9th championship, and I hope he does make a full recovery and come back at the end of the year. And yeah, coming on to KTM with Brad Binder. I wouldn't be a true South African if I didn't mention Brad Binder, and he has always been top of the grid, or top of, you know, the top KTM rider every race this season. And I think it just goes to show, you know, look, they are struggling with their bike. I wish they can just, you know, find a good all-round setting, and it would be nice, you know, to see Brad Binder come up and win the championship one day. And yeah, I'm pretty confident that I know he can do it. I can still remember the day when he won the Moto3 World Championship. I was on holiday down at the south coast, and my family said, am I going to join them on the beach? And I said, no, I'm going to be watching the race, because I'm pretty sure that Brad Binder is going to win the championship. And I tell you, when he crossed that line and won it, I think everyone on the beach could actually hear me scream. It's a day I'll never forget. Oh man, and I love MotoGP. I find that there is like a mutual respect amongst the riders. No matter what they do, you know, there's always that mutual respect. I've grown up watching Formula 1, and you always get the sense that the guys are always fighting with each other, you know, and MotoGP, you just don't get that. I mean, you get, you know, they share, all of them share a passion, and the passion is for riding motorcycles fast around the track. And I mean, what better job would you want than to ride the most powerful motorcycles in the world around the track, all around the world, different countries. I mean, I would love that. So Honda, if you're listening, give me a call. I'll let Marquez train me. But this season, I think is going to be a tough call between Naeba Shinini and Aleix Espargaro and Fabio Quartararo. I mean, it is so close. Well, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It does help the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.